Alright, what's up, my beautiful people? So today I just wanted to make another video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to come out with videos as often as I can, just to keep the content getting out there, and so you guys can continue to um, see see how to trade. The more I can go over this, the more you'll begin to understand. So we're just gonna go over my last couple trades. The last 2 weeks of trading I've done. So here I bought NVDA at 131.89. I bought 4 shares, and then on February 4th, so 4 days later, I sold them for 143.69. So a gain of $50. And now we're just gonna look why I made that trade. So again, we're looking at NVIDIA. This is a big market cap company. Why? Because big market caps have billions of dollars. This is at $92 billion. Um, Remember, when I say big market cap versus small market cap, what's the difference? The difference is big market caps move slower. Why? Because it takes more money to move this company. If I want this $90 billion to gain 10%, then this has to go to 100 billion, right? Because for your stock to go up 10% and for you to make 10% more money has to go into the company. Well, what's 10% of 92 million? Another 9.2 billion. That would put this over 100 billion. So that's how we make gains. Why did I choose to buy, to make this trade? Well, as you can see, on January 25th, we were sitting at 160. And then on January 29th, the day that I bought on the 31st actually. So I bought I bought before that. Where did I buy it? I bought it the 29th right here, buy the 29th. So I bought it on the 29th. This was a really good play essentially, because I ended up um, buying at the exact temporary bottom. Temporary bottom meaning, ever since January 29th, it's been above this 131 level. So this is a trade where I executed it pretty well, and then I sold at 143. So I sold right there. So essentially, I still left $40 of profit on the table. But again, we're not greedy, okay? So another reason, why did I know that buying here was a good idea? Okay, so someone would say, well, this shit dropped a lot. Why would you buy this? Well, it's true. It's tricky because in reality, this could continue to go lower and I could have fucked myself. However, because of my experience in just trading, over the years, I know that even if we're on that trend down, right? Remember I said to go on a trend down, we have to hit a lower low and then a lower high, and then we can continue our trend down, which we did. Why? We have our high of 160, we have our low. Here we have our lower high. Why is it a lower high? Because 153 is still lower than 160. In order for us to reverse this trend of going down, we're in this bear trend, going down. For us to reverse this and go back up over that 160 level, we need to break that 160 level. That's the only way we're going to go up and establish support. I know that I'm guaranteeing making money on this trade, even though I still left some profit on the table. I wasn't greedy. My profit was there. I was happy making $50, and so I took the profit. I 100% know that this was going to make me money because, like I said, even if we're on the trend down, no company, no stock ever continues, a straight line down. Again, you have to set that lower high before you continue back down. So I was fairly confident that at this, you know, uh, what is that? A 20% drop? A 20% drop on a, $100 billion market cap. That's $20 billion leaving the company. That's like crazy. So I knew that that's as much was gonna happen for now, and we were gonna see that lower high. Even if we're continuing our trend down, I'm guaranteeing myself that we're gonna set a lower high. That lower high could have just been at like 137, and I could have only made, $20 or $15, and then we continued back down. That could have totally been a possibility. That's why you got to continue to watch this stuff and, take your profits when they're there. But what did I play? I played this bump. I played, knowing that we were going to set a lower high, and that's where I'm taking my profit. I'm taking my profit knowing we have to set that lower high if we're going to continue our trend down. If we're going to continue our trend up, then it's still a win-win, because then we're going to go back up. So yeah, that's just a little trade I wanted to let you guys know. I'm doing the same thing right now on the 12th with this company called NBev. So this is New Age Beverages Corporation. This company is coming out with, you guys know, Marley tea. So this Marley's Mellow Mood, that's the drink that this company makes. It's fucking some of the best drink I've ever had. They're coming out with CBD Marley's Mellow Mood, and nobody else has the rights to this company other than NBev. So they're gonna do pretty well in the long term. But why did I choose to invest? Well, again, look at this dip we got. We got a dip from 734 of a high all the way down to 622. We actually got down to 609, and luckily that's what I was able to actually get in for today. I got in for 102 shares at $6.09. Here's a trade I could have made. So here I am getting in at 609. I could have sold up here, and I was up probably about, what is that, 50 cents on 100 shares? Yeah, I was up about $50, $60. But I just, decided to hold. We got down here, and I was watching this today, and I was just like, you know what, shit, I should have taken my profits. But it's good I didn't panic sell. We don't want to be emotional and panic sell, because look at what we're getting now on this close. We're getting a little bit close back up. So considering my level where I bought in at 609, why did I buy in at 609? Well, because from 734 to 609, that's $1.20 drop. So what's $1.20 out of 734? That's a 16% drop. So yeah, we could see maybe another 5% dip, but I was fairly certain. I mean, look at how this stock moves. This company loves to move by dip and up. Big dip, up. Big dip, up. So essentially, it already happened. We were at 709. And this again is why this is still a bull trend, meaning it's going up. Because look, we have our high at 709. We have our low at 602. We have our higher high, lower high. So continuing our trend up. Higher high, 734. It's higher than 709 and 710. Higher high, higher low, because it's higher than this low. So that's a trend that's continuing back up. What we need to watch for, though, is if we break this 602 level, then I'd sell. I'd set a stop loss, because I don't want to. I know that if we break this support, then we're going to go back to the $5 range. But yeah, so I don't want to make this video too long. This is just a little another update. This would be considered a small market cap. Why? Because it's only 475 million, okay? And so it takes a lot less money to move this company, right? It only takes about $50 million to move it 10% positive or negative. So it's more volatile. It's slightly more risky. Another one I just want to let you guys know is NNRX. This right now is a really good time to enter, I would say. This is a penny stock. It's a gamble. It's an organic cannabis company. They do a lot of plant medicines. They're doing a lot of great things. Do your research on this company. I wouldn't do more than 50 to $100. This is only available on TD Ameritrade or E-Trade. It costs $6 to make the trade. Otherwise, if you're using, like, I have free trades on Chase, or you could use Robinhood, which is also free. Just so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being patient. I'm going to continue to come out with these videos as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for the support. And, I know maybe you feel like I haven't been as active as you like me to be. And again, I'd like to apologize. I'm dealing with a lot of personal issues right now, but I'm always there for you. Please feel free to continue to reach out to me and get your one-on-one, and text me and let me know if you think it's a good idea to make a trade. Another really good safe trade you could make is GE. Um, we're looking pretty good for a small little flip. We're getting a little bit of a reversal. This you might only make 5-10 bucks, but it's just experience. You're learning. Maybe put $100 in and just see what happens. But okay, love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.